Today, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Hostinger Website Builder, step by step, so you can make your pages easier to navigate and give your visitors a much better experience. This is especially useful for long blog posts, service pages, guides, and landing pages where people want to jump straight to the section they need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create anchor sections, add a simple table of contents, link each item properly, and publish everything live. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Hostinger and Website Builder tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Hostinger account and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar and click Websites. After that, find a website you want to edit and click Edit Website next to your domain. This will open Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make the changes to your page. Now, before we create the table of contents itself, we need to name the sections on your page. This is one of the most important parts, because the table of contents works by linking each item to a specific section anchor. So click directly on the section you want people to jump to. When you do that, a floating toolbar should appear. From there, choose Edit Section. Then go to the Anchor tab. In the Anchor ID field, type a simple lowercase name for that section. Keep it short and easy to remember. For example, you might use Introduction, Setup, Pricing, Features, or Summary. Try to avoid spaces and special characters because simple anchor names work best and are easier to manage. Once you've added the Anchor ID, repeat this same process for every section or heading you want to include in your table of contents. So, if your page has 5 main parts, give each one its own anchor name. This way, when a visitor clicks a table of contents item, they'll be taken instantly to the correct part of the page. That makes your content more interactive and much easier to read. Next, we're going to add the actual table of contents text box. Scroll back up to the top of your page or blog post, or to wherever you want the table of contents to appear. Some people like placing it near the top under the title, while others prefer putting it after an intro paragraph. Either option works, as long as it's easy to find. On the left vertical toolbar, click Add Element, which is the plus icon. Then drag a text element onto your canvas. Once the text box is in place, type out your table of contents heading list. For example, you can write 1. Introduction, 2. How to set up, 3. Features, 4. Pricing, and 5. Summary. You can format it however you want, so it matches the style of your website. Now comes the most important part, linking each item to its section anchor. Start by highlighting the text for your first item, such as 1. Introduction. Once it's selected, click the link icon in a text formatting toolbar. A link menu will appear, and here you want to set the link type to section. Then choose the matching section name you created earlier, like Introduction or Number Introduction, depending on how your builder displays it. After that, repeat the same process for every item in your list, so if you have a setup section, highlight that text, click Link, choose Section, and connect it to the correct anchor. Do this for all of your headings until every item in your table of contents has its own working link. Take your time here and double-check each one, because the goal is to make navigation smooth and accurate for your visitors. Once everything is linked, it's a good idea to test it before publishing. Click around the table of contents and make sure each link jumps to the right section. If something doesn't work, go back and check the anchor name and the linked section selection. A quick test now can save you from problems later. When you're happy with everything, click Publish or Update Website in the top right corner to send your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully created a table of contents in Hostinger Website Builder. Your page is now more user-friendly, easier to scan, and much better for visitors who want to navigate quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Hostinger tips, website builder guides, or beginner-friendly website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.